Hey Plancy friends, welcome back to another new video. You guys, your boy got paid and I did some damage. You guys, we literally, oh my god. So I bought a lot of plants. I think I spent 150. But let me explain. These plants are literally so goddamn insane. And you know me, like your boy knows how to shop and he's Valentine. Hey baby, wanna say hi? Wanna say hi, baby? Look at you, baby. Baby, look at you. Give them your side profile. He's Valentino. He's getting kind of fat. I need to limit his food, but just oops, sorry, baby. You're so fluffy, baby. You're so fluffy. You're so fluffy, baby. You wanna go by the window, Papa? There you go, my love. You guys, I bought, okay, I know how to shop, okay, and I'm pretty sure you know too. I was basically looking for some plants. I want to make the living room more jungle-like, but I want plants that are really easy to look after and are not so finicky. So usually pothos and agglominias and snake plants, and that's exactly what I got. I also did got some alocasias and syngoniums, well, alocasia and syngonium, the only one in one. But I'm just so excited because like I got them for a really good price, except one of the agglominias, which is this one, which you're gonna see how big this one is. It was so worth the price. I do have one of these. I think I have it. Oh, it's right over here. It's by the, I don't want to move it because like I just, my tripod is kind of breaking, but I do have one of them, but it's like, like 1/4 or 1/5 of the size, but I love my baby so much. I got it for clearance. I'm obsessed with it. But it was such an easy plant to look after that I decided to get another one. And oh my god, you guys. Okay, a lot of it's from Lowe's and Home Depot. So let's get started. Okay, okay, so this one was $49.98. Okay, girl, it was cheap. I was gonna go to Greengate, but they're closed on Mondays. I was gonna go tomorrow, but I was like, I've been dying to go play shopping so goddamn bad while having a budget, and I couldn't hold myself. I think I do have like maybe, look, we went to Whataburger, as you saw. I think I have like $10. So I'll wait for my next check to go to Greengate, but you guys, and also I know like my boyfriend's helping me now. He's like working for me, but he's like helping me, and we're kind of doing good on financial wise. So yeah, it's not like before, and I don't want to get too much into it, but everything's good. And I decided to like spoil myself for Halloween work, and also for like, I just want the living room to look a lot more jungly, and everything's looking amazing, and I cannot wait to give you guys a houseplant tour. I've been them for like super duper long. So yeah, let me show you. Girl, do you see how big she is? Like, oh my god. Oh my god, I think I posted it on Instagram, a picture, and on Facebook, and I was like, I love this aglomina so much. And I went back, and surprisingly nobody bought it. So I was like, I think it's a sign. So I ended up snatching her. It's such a beautiful aglomina. I don't know exactly what it's called. It kind of looks like the silver aglomina silver bay, but this one has like some yellow stripes in it. Look how beautiful it is. Oh my god, I want it on the living room. The best thing about this plant too, it is such low maintenance. It does want some good light though. That's the only thing is, it would do okay in low light conditions, like any low light plant, but it would not thrive. But she's also blooming. I need to cut off the blooms because I wanted to focus on its growth and everything, but it's huge and it's extremely, my head on my fan. It's extremely heavy. This was at Lowe's. At Lowe's, you guys. I'm just so obsessed with it, like, I'm just so happy, you guys. It makes me happy. And the size, the fact that I've had it and I know it's not so finicky, it just makes me like, it heals my soul. I have another aglomina which I'm gonna show you right now. And if you guess aglomina silver bay, you got it. I am starting to collect aglominias as I am collecting Hoyas. I love low light plants, but plants that are not low light plants. I love plants that are like colorful and have a variety. And there's a lot more Hoyas than aglominias, I think so, but there's a lot of aglominias, and there's not enough love for aglominias. I mean, you can say with every other plant out there, but I love my aglominias. I love my pothos. I love my monsteras, kind of. I'm starting to really get into Hoyas. So I just know this living room was already becoming like my place when I feel stressed out. I can just come by over here and recharge my soul. And I've been enjoying watering the plants. We're getting a lot more light in the living room. As you can see, like we're getting light because like we're entering fall. We're in fall. Fall and winter we get light in here, and then in spring and summer the lights away, which is kind of sad. But sunlight and plants really does make it a vibe. Like it really does make a place a lot more like bright and happy and just amazing. So super duper excited to jungleify the living room. And yeah, so let me show you the aglamedia. This one though, as with the snake plants, I got these at Home Depot. The first aglamedia that I showed you with the yellow stripes, hey baby, that's from Lowe's, and I paid full price, which was $50. But this aglamedia, which I'm gonna show you right now, and then the snake plants I'm gonna show you later on, those were for 25% off, and they've been having this sold for super duper long. So this aglamedia, it's called this aglamedia silver bay, and it's a little bit lighter, kind of smaller pot, but it's it's kind of wet too. And these just finished watering it, but here it is. You guys, like, it was $25, and I got it for 25% off, so I saved $6 or $7, I believe. So I paid like, I think I paid $18 for it. Like for this massive snake plant, oh my god, this massive Chinese evergreen silver bay for $18, girl. Like, you can't say no to that. Like, oh my god. And another really amazing low light plant that is not so finicky, doesn't really matter about humidity. Just like any other plant, it would appreciate humidity, but except succulents. But oh my god. It's gorgeous. I'm literally in love with it. I love it. So that was a Home Depot. Let me show you the other plant that I got at Home Depot, which was like snake plants. Now the snake plant was $20. I just finished watering this plant. I'm gonna get a little bit dirty, it's okay. This was $20, but I got it for 25% off. So I paid $15 for it. $15. The price of a urban jungle plant. You know, like the small ones. If you're looking for a big plant that's not finicky, that can fill in a nice dark corner or just a corner that needs some life, a tall snake plant from the Home Depot right now for 25% off, you can get it for a good deal, you guys. Like this, I can place this anywhere, and I want to fill my home with snake plants like this size. If I had the chance, I would love to buy like 10 of them. I think that would be $150, not including tax, which is so worth it. 10 of these massive snake plants across the apartments would really make it look like a jungle, and I just have to take care of this plant like once a month. Once a month. Like I literally neglect my snake plants, and they're thriving. I can just feel the energy. Like I'm just so obsessed with it, and for a good deal, period. So I know I might convince a lot of you guys to go plant shopping right now. But I just have to share this with you guys. If I find the plant for a good deal, I'm gonna share it with you. And Home Depot is killing it right now. So look how big. But then I don't even know. I might really go with feet. I'm gonna put it on the coffee table. I think this is like 3 feet, possibly 4 feet. I'm like 5'10", 5'11". No, I'm not 5'11". Yeah, I'm like 5'11". No, I'm like 5'10". 5'10", 5'11". And this like it's up on a table that's 2 feet. So you can imagine the size. I love you. I love you. I'm gonna show you another plant that I got. So these are from Lowe's. And I was looking for some hanging plants that are low maintenance, that are not finicky. And usually golden pothos are my number one. And of course, but my thing is not just any golden pothos. This company, I'm not really sure what they're called. It says Lowe's. That's all it says. I got these for $17.98. Not clearance, that's how much they sell it for. The Costa Farm pots, they're smaller. They're $20. This was $17.98. I went to one Lowe's, they didn't have it, so I went to my other Lowe's, which is kind of far, but they had them. And let me show you the tag so you know what I'm talking about. Here's a tag. Is that kind of purplish? Do you see that? They usually, ooh, I just dropped a leaf. They usually advertise these as like outside plants, which is really kind of cheaper. but they don't know that us houseplant people find this as a houseplant, and it's an amazing deal for $17.98. Look how big this is. Putting on this ceiling is really gonna make a dramatic impact in the living room, and it's gonna give those jungle vibes. I don't want it, I know that there's a chance I will get overwhelmed, but that's what I'm trying to get, plants that can tolerate when I have my phases of like, you know, like not wanting to take care of them. And they're gonna do okay. Now the living room is not as hot as it is in the plant room, so it won't dry out pretty fast. It is up and it is hanging, but it really shouldn't. It might get my attention like maybe minimum like once a week. I gotta break it down, bottom water it, and just put it back up. Honestly, people always ask me what I used to hang my plants, and nothing special. I just go to Walmart and I buy the hooks. I don't know if I have any with me. Let me show you. I have a white one that I like to use for heavy duty plants, and then I have a brown one, which I can't find. But I'm gonna see if I can find them on Amazon and link it down below for y'all. But I got them from, yeah, I got both of them at Walmart. So I just go to Walmart, buy those basic hooks, and that's what I use. And I have them on Sherrock. I just pray that it doesn't fall. That's all I do. I go like, please don't fall. I also like to do like a little weight test. Like I don't put all my weight in it, obviously, because I like, but I try to like put it down and imagine like the weight going up and down when it dries and has water, and dries and has water. And usually if it goes really easily, I find another place to put it. I also like to like angle it a little bit. Instead of going like this, I like to go a little bit like this, so it has more like of a grip. But that's how I hang my plants, and I'm honestly going to be hanging a lot of plants right now. I'm making a YouTube video out of it, but I don't know if I want to, because like it's already really stressful hanging plants sometimes and like finding the perfect spot, considering that I change my mind a lot. So I don't know, but I did got two of the photos. So this is the one that y'all saw, and here's the other one for $17.98. $17.98 for a low maintenance plant. This is literally insane. And don't worry, I didn't got all of them. They literally have like 10 of these. I think I did film the plant shopping video on the location, which should be going up. If you see this video, it should go up by yesterday. Probably went already up. You're gonna see it pretty soon. The thing is, putting these plants down, I always struggle because I gotta worry about the vines. So I gotta be careful. That's why you saw like the leaf falling off, because I've been moving them a lot. I just took a lot of pictures for Instagram and I'm doing this. But those are the plants, and I have two more. So I also got a very controversial plant that I know a lot of us will like freak out, but I already have some locations that are doing super duper good. So I was like, I think I'm ready. I think I have 4 alocaceas, and they're doing super duper good. So I finally got the elephant ear? No, alocasia elephant or poly elephant, something like that. And for a really good deal, I got this for $12.98 at Lowe's. I ended up placing the cash pots, and I love how it has a wick. That's gonna help a lot. There is like, this is one of its newest recent leaf. Like, do you see how big that is? Oh my god, it's just so pretty. I always check for any mealybugs, and also the plants nearby it also like spider mites. Whenever I get these plants, I usually always struggle with spider mites, but I haven't had any problem. Even my white collective fusion and my yellow fusion, they had spider mites, but I've been spraying them with neem oil and Captain Jack's a lot. Knock on wood that I don't like jinx myself, but I'm really excited. That I think it's like my lip. When you put lip gloss on, like everything sticks. But oh my god, guys, look at this. For $12.98, they had so many of these beautiful plants. I hope I can keep it happy. Like, I'm praying that I'm gonna keep it happy. I'm already getting a lot of plants in the living room, so my humidity should be going up. I want to buy another of those thermal thingies. I don't know what you call it. I have another one. I gotta go and find it. But I want to place one in the living room. I do have the AC on, and the nights I like to put it to 68 Fahrenheit because I like to sleep in the cold. But in the day, I put it to 73, if not 74, which I know they do appreciate. But oh, it's so pretty. For a good deal. At Lowe's, $12.98. Oh my gosh, I literally love it. And then I'm also looking for some small plants. So I got this cute little Maria Syngonium. Really, really cute. I also like how it has a wick. I have a lot of cash pots for like these 4-inch pots, like a lot, and I want to be using them. So I gotta start really collecting small plants than big plants. But I needed to fill in the living room really, really fast because right now it's Halloween decor. But on November the 1st, I'm gonna put like a lot of fall decor. And I think I honestly love how fall decor, it honestly looks really good with plants. Putting a lot of pumpkins, a lot of orange complements green really good. Like my heart, like it looks good and it makes it very cozy. So but to each their own. But yes, I got this cute little Syngonium and this one for $6.98. So those are basically all the plants that I got today. My boyfriend did got some new guppies. He got another fishy and he got a crab. Because he's getting into like, he wants to like make the fish tank a lot more diverse, which is super duper cool. If you guys want to see a fish tank update or a vlog, I don't know. I guess I'll try to add in a vlog one of these days, but yeah, so right now he's like, they're acclimating. He's putting it like in the water so they can get used to the temperature. So when you pour it in there, it doesn't shock. Or they don't shock. So yes, let me show you how they look, to be honest. Excuse me, I just burped. So this is a massive Chinese evergreen silver bay. And then over here we have the beautiful alocasia. Oh my god, my heart. And then we have the other massive, like this is my feet. Look how big that is.
It's really big.
Right? You just saw it, like literally humongous, baby. And then we got,
like in video you can't really see it.
No, like you gotta like
in person it's really big.
Exactly, like it's just it was so worth the $50 because here's my other one. It's like right there. You see it? Yeah. I got it for clearance. That's why she's kind of like weird, but she's putting a lot of new leaves, and I think she's putting a new leaf. I don't know if you guys can see that, like right there. But yeah. And then here's the tech installation. If you guys are wondering, I'm literally falling in love how everything is turning out. And those are all the plants I need to go ahead and hang. Here are the golden pothos. I think it would be kind of cute, but I have, this is wood and I want to put a plant there unless it has a saucer. Here's a massive snake plant. There's a fly in here and I want to kill it so goddamn bad. So here's the other plants that I gotta go and hang. But yeah, I'm just so excited. I'm literally excited. Sorry.
You said you got a lot of plants today.
I did. I
like
spent like
6 or 7?
I think like 7 or yeah, like 6 or 7. Spent a lot of money, but it's okay. Tax deductions.
You got plants, I got fishes.
You got fishies, yes. Look at Valentino.
Just chilling like a villain.
Hey baby. What do you want to say?
Yeah, he winked.
I know. What do you want to say, Baba? Really? How was your day?
He's like, don't ask.
He doesn't want to talk about it. Oh my god. I'm obsessed. Literally obsessed. Then once I hang them with the Halloween decor, it looks so goddamn good. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, guys. And we'll see you in the next one. Bye.